I beg, wait happen for UK today. One. Number two, that guy, when I hear say he slap about, I beg. I mean, if you not get that guy picture, Mona send and give me, make a y'all know his face. They said that double shit they call, I don't know, but I beg. Let me say, I don't get issue with them. Hey, you're not concerned now. But I beg, if you not get that boy picture, I beg, Mona your screenshot and put her for my WhatsApp. I get why. I want to see his face. I want to know who he be. Let me say, you not concern me, oh. No, understand. You not concern me, but I want you to see that guy. I want you to see his face. I want to see how he look. All those one are team when they talk every day. Okay? I want to share this video. Now all these things, and they talk every day for year. See finish. Don't too much. I beg, that boy for UK, wait, Congo, I yes, go follow about 5 for this thing. I beg, I don't get any issue with them. I beg, make una screenshot that boy picture. Make una put her for my WhatsApp. I beg. My WhatsApp is +1 803 979 3194. Mona just cut the picture. Mona put her for my WhatsApp. I want you to see the way the guy be. I want you to see his face. Because he not concern me, my brothers. You see me so. Since I said this America. Since I said this America, since I said this country, nobody, no born of a human ever slapped him before. I think I wish they here. I say even say I did Nigeria at that time. No born of a human. Okay. Make a more look at this way. Somebody fed a boast. Somebody fed a boast a week say, Abbas not come Manchester. The same person where they boast, when you say you call 911, the same person call it can't really do what he want to do. Now this guy should finish. Now this can finish and they talk every day by day for year. Somebody come meet you, say, I hear say you defend me. Not be by talk for man too. If now me be you, although not be, I don't feel talk, cause definitely now America day. Cause if to say, I don't know. Now this girl see finish, now they talk every day by day for year. See finish don't too much. See finish don't too much. Abba, not they give us see finish. See this boy, you they do video. I don't know. The boy don't for the boast. The boy don't for the boast. The boy don't for the boast like a week. You know for the, you know one day, Mark we tell one story. I can't go Atlanta, Georgia for America. I can't go one party. So my guy for Miami, they watch video. If they watch this video, they go see what happened that day. As I come to Atlanta, I can't see some 2 guys. And they all similar. They say, Samantha Baze, they talk to your brother, oh, your brother, the head of how about, oh, we know, say, you not correct person, oh. Wetin make those guys say, Samantha Baze, they touch your brother, oh, I change that for them. Instantly. As I change that for them, later, now I mean they call the best, forget, no verse now. We all say no verse now. Somebody boast a week time, say if you come Manchester, say he go come fight you, come slap you. Hey, my brother, I hope you retaliate too. I hope you start that boy back. Because now you be sitting in jail. Now you follow about Governor Baseki. You know, your problem is this. You don't know Abbott. You don't know the kind of brother where you get. Now Wetin make can you the head of body back to back. Now somebody talking for America for you say Abbott not know kind of brother where he gets. Say this smart Abbott get level. Where person? Where? 1 million years. But he don't know. You don't know the kind of brother where he gets. You don't know. Because he dey insult me. Me go do that kind UK. That boy don't slap you. No, bros, we don't call police now. Which one is police to do? We worry you. Police now. Who they call police? Nobody go call police. But he go collect. You first slap me. Hey. Inside that hall. Block on the floor for ground since now. We worry you. Who want call police? Me no go call police. No, nah. That hall. Now your blood go full on. Wetin dey worry you? As you dey talk for Facebook, somebody boast a week ago. He say, Albert, I dey call Manchester, come fight you. As you dey do live video, the boy true come slap you. Don't be bad. As I swear, you don't know the kind of brother where you get. Go check history. Look all those people who don't attack you about it. Which I only tell them. Say, come, don't go attack my family. Don't go. Because by the time, now then, una go know, say, na me they call smart say, aka Don Sakaka, na be. But like, about matter, look concern me, my brother. He not go Baseki. He not get friends. Where all those who follow, where they comment, where they talk, say that your brother's man, say a bad person. Where them? I don't know. Where all those people when they send a first record? Where all those people when they say you are doing a great job? Where they want now? Where now? Where now? Where now? If you I beg, that boy will follow about fine. Make una screenshot if picture give me. I don't know. I want your see face. I beg una screenshot if I don't know that person for. I beg, una just screenshot that boy picture. Load that for my WhatsApp. I get where I want to get that boy picture. I get where I want to get that boy picture. At least UK you don't walk. My brother, he said to Oma come. He said to Gbinane no ma. You get brother, we don't know value of you. Many people we know value of me. They call me boss Alpha. Help us settle this matter. If you hear my voice, you know like this. Warrior. Now me they go party for abroad for year. As I enter party, and the yes is what the person did that. Everybody go stand up. On my way, me go there UK. And they call that boy chief say, don't for the blast, and so go follow about fight. The guy call it come. As they talk say, how about not be you? How about me, you not worry. You don't know your brother. As that boy slap you, you go see the way I will take use that boy. And you will see the way I will take use that boy. Blood, take shower that whole. Party close. No party again. Understand? Party never come again. No party, everybody go as, but that guy blood. Now you go pay that ground. As the ground go make with blood. They worry you now. Now they see you finish. And everybody I say talking for yeah. People we know my value. They follow me. They know me. People when not bad the respect, when not bad the dread. They dread me die. They look they like say I will be this one. But if they dread my brother, somebody cast for you for 1 week. Say you go come match and say you go slap me. I never see somebody before for America for you. Go say Spanoba say if I your cash I will slap you, Papa. Oh go that way. Where you know say America will not tell Muslim league before. Oh go that way. Make I open my trunk for you. May I show you tools. Huh? Make I open this strong. Make I show you tools. Tools where they inside this car. Not be one, not be two. I feel open now. I'll show you tools inside this car. They play. It's so now which I talk every day. Now to the follow one you day, you already make man, all about seki. We all just your followers, when they go fight for you. When they fight for you. Well now double shit, they call out. You not concern me. person like that, the way I talk that day, the way that double chief where he slap you so, make it do video. Say smart about that if I catch you, say I'll do so thing. Make your use, make your man mistake. Say you say smart about that if I catch you. It wasn't a UK day or na America day. The day Abba go come no say I get friends, I get men for that UK for there. You only talk. After talk right from the one. Observe who don't follow you fight. You don't they retaliate. Now while are you they bring they come? Me no. You say go destroy your house. It go destroy your house. You know if you do anything. You they talk about police. Then so you say somebody threaten you for gym. You say they can't the way you they talk for Facebook. Now be so me. Now you they make me they talk for Facebook. Now you, I know they talk. Now they make me they talk. Because many people they, where we say they will see me like this, they will jump, they will fight through ballet, they will go to you. But you through ballet. Jump, go. They will jump instantly. So no matter. Oh yeah, through ballet. Don't be like me. Now those miscrack can't see you finish. For abroad where you dey. Somebody boast. He say that chief, whatever they call him, he can't call your heart today for UK. He can't follow you the fight. But you don't know say that one ahead. No, you don't know the camp that way you get. Now wait till they come. Me and you don't talk. No, they don't things. If you know the camp that way you get, you not say, hold me 1 million. But you don't know. See your life now. Since I entered this America, you don't ever hear say I don't fight once. You don't ever hear say somebody slaps my brother once. You not there now. How you want to slap me? Who is war? See with your brother. Now you know I'm coming. You not concern me. You not concern me. Concern you. Now wait till you they expect that this one. But if you don't retaliate, say that boy don't go jail or don't. If you don't retaliate. Oh, now the one when I see no Jesus nine they fuck up. You don't retaliate, then you can't do video later. You can't do that video. I go it was now UK day. I will call disconnect your network. Saying I'm coming. Get back from that place there. I'll call disconnect your Wi-Fi for us. It don't you talk. You know if you do action. May I show you some video from my WhatsApp. When men for Nigeria, everybody they do video. If anybody point, they'll collect. Make my boys for a door. Now they put them for social media. Now me no they put them for social media. I'll be Baba, you there oh. Since you say that UK, that's so far you say that they fight you. Now so stress you say they threaten you. Which kind of your life can't be that one? Many men now they come as my brother that far. That's what they slap the brother. Now I come see my brother, you not gonna send me. Where they worry you? What coming? I been you know they see my video every day. We're begging if you me. I be too sure. Mere UK. I be don't watch my video. What would they give you? So only I like me now. As what come away. How about not get hand? How about not get men? You not get all those followers what they follow her? You not get people. Hey, me fight now. Where worry you? This one. What can I worry? I bet I go Latin go make a smoke Morocco. Where worry you? Where worry you? But if people say to fuck be sincere, if people say I not the UK oh, it to say I the UK, say I dey sad or say that thing for happen. Maybe don't put me for jail because they go say I person for UK. Now so it go your take play. Maybe they don't arrest me since. La play, person go your back for your presence for abroad. They play. Beside that, anywhere where they go, not be only me one day. My league is my squad, my men, Aruba, my brother. They more deal with me. I don't want to tell her, thank you, my brother, take her easy. All those people when they say, hey, you are trying, you are doing a good job, you are a great man. But they come fast for you now. Now they talk every day by day for you. Now every day by day, I tell they talk for year for Facebook, bad. Those useless followers where they follow one. They go, they insult me, oh. They go, they insult me. No mass man. They go insult me, oh. But when you go bust, you know, we'll see all those ones. They will run, come up for your back. Hey, where are you? They will come up for your back. Hey, where are you? If not that how I did, somebody slap me. Even though say, I not retaliate that moment. But my friend where sit down near me go slap her. The other one go slap her. The other one go slap her. Before you know, we don't run down. Before you know, now bottle for your head like this. You dey shut up. Are they mad? This one will slap her. That one will slap her. That one will slap her. That will slap her. That will slap her. That will slap her. If you don't quick bagger, you blow. You don't take on ground. Unless you're back, you're rough. No marry day. I'm not some begin though. I just they do like 20-something years for the game. So I don't be my man. 20-something years. Not be small begin though. But now you they look like a small picking. Now you don't know the kind of way you get. You don't know the value of me. You don't know. UK for abroad. How many times ever here says one of us I saw the phone fact who are following me fat? They don't that name don't make you fear. Don't sakaka. If I sit down for German, but you sit down. If I they go party, somebody go stand up for share. I'll sit down. When Ojo Sage say he will come Bogo Atlanta, because of Ojo Sage level, me not go Atlanta. As I did that hall, I not did that hall. I say if anybody will do anything for I will collect. Many men call it laugh. What they call Senator again Ozamere River. In a way, on a way, he wow, or Tiam Badabak Boligi. In a way, I want to wear near Bevana, Yawa Beleho, a person, everybody about Pat Blue. Yeah, we able to say, one of us say, I got a little bit push over Atlanta. Bros, you call Claro. Amie, my brother, take her easy. If nobody dare your back, it dey hard though. If nobody dare your back, it dey hard though. It dey hard though. All those people where they comment for your Facebook, you are doing a great job. Carry on. We are your fans. We are with you. Hey, you are a great guy. Boss, wait there now. Boss, I hope say that boy. The video not too long. Now for your Facebook and for Sian. I come they laugh say first bad. The truth the mother say nah they see you. Even na me way no. You even talk and say Osagbovuya one time you will follow you fight. Now some fight they follow the fight. You know they see your reaction. Now Wetin make I dey tackle you now make it for queen enters. You know why? Why they tackle you say make queen enters? You know why? I don't wait for 8 years. That 8 years so they usually tell you insult my mama. They usually tell you insult my papa because of you. So that insult I not go take her again with any bond of a human. You take care. Now Wetin make I dey tackle you say my brother. They man with you they talk. Not be everything that they talk social media. Eke ya gbunuji, eke ya jo, omedia nanjo, emi yata. Ye make a followers. Followers. Who give a fuck about followers? Who give a fuck about view? Ever said as you know him now, he might give a fuck with anybody. The error. Men day UK for it. I know say men day. To say you get believe say to say that inside that hall, that party I follow that place. You get believe say that boy you come ask you question. No now. Somebody can say some nobody don't know they inside this party. No go, not fight for you. Because if you fight my brother, or let's say you want me to make everybody drink your blood for that hall. Or you want make your blood scatter ground. No sense human being. Every time social media, I can count how many people now that attend you. Even before you say that they want to come and look for you for gym. Now so you did gym one day. Some boys they point you. Because me around come now. I dey waka well. I dey go Miami. I dey go Atlanta. I dey go Texas. I dey go different states for America. I never say person wants this one. But say you had God. Marry me a day. He was go as you just say you. He was make sure when he was sick away. I would laugh. Ah, bro, what did happen now? Ah, but that is something. As that boy come meet you to say I did there, as that boy come meet you, they say, hey, now you, now me go fed that boy now. You don't know. I'm go fed that land. It be na F4 Baba na F4 na. I me be na. Eh, boy, I beg if you get a picture, Mona send her give make her know. He say nah, she's so shift. I beg, I don't get issue with her, but Mona give me picture, make her just put her for my WhatsApp, make put her for some kind of group. You understand? Make everybody know who do that shit. You understand? Hey, may you see the record. Hey, not be say I get with you, I want do am, I not get what do. You not something concern am. Hey, now my brother, now everybody, I say talking for you. My brother, they be careful. We are careful. If you don't get some people wait there your back, about arrest. God forbid I say me something happen and I say me police. Okay, how about look it this way. If maybe that guy come now, if that fair tell you for like a week ago, if I tell you, what about as that boy come now? He carry bottle. You don't know. Ultimately say they be careful. Hell, if you not get squad, be careful. Hey God, be careful. If maybe Adaka na come now, come carry bottle, you come bust down for your head, you come fall. My brother, what bad theater? But God forbid. Bad theater, it means not that bad in the UK. Bad theater, how bad? Ah, but I hope Obaseki now will see this one. I hope Obaseki will they fight for now. All those Obaseki family. I hope they will go arrest that boy. That brother, just the four family hand badly. Tomboba. He said no, they will carry break. He used the four family hand. Let me tell you something. Like I said before, and because of this outback and they talk, I know they talk. Now, even sometimes my parents they say, this man know they talk. Now they say they talk for Facebook. Baba, I know they talk, but not mash my thing. If you mash my thing, I will let you know how you be. Not so like be. For our characters, okay, guys, they be want talking here. Not my matter. And then they see me, smart up and say, tell your brother. They talk to Rambo. I say, which brother? I say, how bad? Should they look out? For our character, that concept, which they bring that kind of level the corner. Why did this people happen now? Which kind of come down now? Later, the boy continue and say, no verse, but see the advice your brother. The way I take change out for her. This was what my brother will say we don't talk. My go. Oh, sanity favor if I cash it for you. Oh, sanity favor if I cash it for you. Will you get her from here? No puna they pursue Abba. Abi to swore. No be you they comment, they follow Abba Facebook. I know one mention of it, but I know you. Not be you. Call not comment for you, I cannot block you. Nonsense. I don't see you for how about this thing. Well done, bros. See, I know they don't slap your brother. You say that the boy will be arrested. That or go young bar now. Now arrest matter. Now I'm going to talk now. No sense. They use your brain. They use your brain. They use your brain. They use your brain. They use your brain for abroad. Since you don't enter that UK, that's so voila. That's so threatening. Now they threaten you. I never see person where you threatened me before for. In my area, there was sometimes a person. I'm not a threatening person. Now people where they family trouble, now they insult. But that they use your brain. Your video they everywhere. They slap our bass. Somebody will come the boss, come meet you. Where are those your friends where they with you? The boy have been arrested. Now by arrest somebody. I better not get out from here. Get out, get out. He may not go from B. We are a chief. He say he a chief for Manchester. Where he go? It's one of us where the people you know. Where you talking about him? How you me? Walk away. How you me laughing now? How you mustn't laugh, don't I? Nonsense. Now every day that they talk for you for Facebook, they go tell me say make I shut up. That will say bad. Me where they talk, they will say I'm a bad person. What you happen now today now? I bet make una send me that boy picture. Mona send and give me. Mona put that for my WhatsApp. I want you all know his face. I don't know this person when they talk. So Mona put her. You not concern me, but Mona put her for my WhatsApp. My you know the face. Get out from here. Which I'm saying like your brother. What gonna why am I not solely here now? Who shall be saying you don't like your brother? Where they worry you? You not see video when I want to do about me with that one and brother where they carry while they come. Now so since how old are you now? You are 43 years old, right? How old are you? You are 43, right? Okay. Since you be in UK, I don't even think you have spent close to 5 years in UK or 4 years. Maybe 4 or 5, I don't know. You have been in UK now for like 4 or 5 years now, or 3 years, I don't know. If I'm not mistaken. Since you be in that country now, all we hear about, they are threatening you. They are threatening you. They are threatening you. They are threatening you. Now we dey hear every day by day. As I do reach for social media, how many times you never hear that so person come to that video? Go talk. Apart from that, it don't give with a genuine. Nobody I try once talk back. He give me to see my Facebook. Always, madam say, "On boy see that." Who is what? My man, I'm boy see like America. We both of us now. How is it the way? I be too swore. A live video na time. Where wow guy video man. I will say my show na tous. Cause ni me hear ma wa ni wa kan fian. Wa fi lo na. Ni me na mo isla ni. Only wa jaja. God bless America. Bless America. Oh my Nigeria. Our money like anywhere at the corner like barrel. Anywhere they go. And now that boy be wanting to play. That's what they call a no gay for German. So the back on the man me, smart. If I catch you, I will do this one. If I catch you, me, I want to talk to me. I am battle. Now I can't come outside. I feel blow you. I don't talk too much. Later, I'm waiting at Facebook. I'm waiting with the scenario. Oh, this man, Larry, we see all one man, oh, five. Where we are. America, my yay. Well, one year, Ake uyi. You not bats now, you not kiwi now, you don't know. Ake kiwi. No, ake uyi. You not kiwi now, you don't know. You not my block it for you. You not kiwi, you the smell, you don't know. You don't know say you not dead body. Ake uyi, you the smell now, you don't know. You not kiwi. You don't know. You will be some pet, you will be Asians. You will the smell. Your body now, your skin, you they smell a mug. You don't know. You they come for it, they go better visual. You don't know, you don't say yourself nah dead body. You don't know. They play. You will they smell like dead body. This life. It not concern me, my brother. Let them carry the law, let police do their job. Because me no say for abroad, normally. For abroad, nobody they fight. So whether they fight now for UK now, me not condemn. Because me no say for America for years. For America for years, me no say they don't they fight. Whether they fight for London, now that me don't know. Because for America for you, everybody a big boy. I don't know, Bina. I don't know to way. I'm here. So what for UK? Me don't know. I never see somebody before for America for you. You say, boss, and they boast. You feel boast though, but not go here. No, as not go meet them. Because Wetin make you meet them? You are on your own. You know that I don't get brother where they fool me anyhow. Where they fool us? They fool us. Believe me. Where Governor Obaseki? Where Obaseki family? Where your fans? Where they already call you for live video? You are doing a great job. Thank you. No matter your brother, small or useless person. Where are those people? But now they do video now. They talk about what's happening now. Be. Somebody wait, man, put that video. I get on. I don't even say now give parents. Mamere of you what? Mamere video with my boto eh. Egbe weni. Mema na omo. Omo na he. Ni am you we no. Now they see you. Now wetin make am? Now they see you. But the way you dey talk for live video. Now wetin make I can say how about we no pa. Since they insult my parents, you say in here Governor Obaseki, I never see anybody when this boy you take for example. But the reason why I never hurt anybody, nobody has ever hurt anything about my parents or my siblings or my sisters. Because that one, I don't want to say, I know this also not be about no. Or may fall out. This one so not smart about now evolve. Injury to one, it is the injury to all. We'll fight back. That time so not me will call it fight. Now people will use it here and what's happen? Faggy don't deal. They go for small about the fight. Before you know, now you come the year. They must come. Even if I say me they rest, they no rest. Injury to one is injury to one. No, you don't know. The girl where I will talk, they will say, "My goes now for one corner." They will roll. You don't know. You don't know. You don't know. They will roll. Injury to one is injury to all. You will be fighting for government for how many years? All they do is to bully your parents, insult your parents, insult your dad, insult your siblings. You will also carry family issue to social media. You don't know say if he said say that family they fight for person. You don't know. This thing will happen to you for UK. Not be say are they happy. Now so they feel say are they happy. I know they happy. My body they inch me, but I know the UK. Not be say are they happy for what they happen though. But when you follow somebody, they talk why you make you? Right from the ones I was born, I never caused trouble once. But now let people issue now and they fight put. Make you call me. Okay, wait. Osawaru, send me friend request for my live video. Make her accept you. I know you, make you talk. This is my first time. I know they carry people, they come my live video. But if you want talk, make her, or might call you personal. I don't know. But send me request. I will accept them. Make you talk within your mind. I greet you. Victor, Clear Road, Osawaru, Okotie, Victor. Better give her a chance. Now, man, they there. My brother. I beg, if you want to talk for you, I go invite you. I'm ashamed, I'm ashamed. It dey pay me for body, oh. But what to do? Tell me, no, they carry, they carry me for along. They carry me along for more than how many years now. You don't know who I be. You don't know you don't know anything. This one will threaten you. This one, they will threaten you for UK. They will threaten you for Nigeria. They will threaten you everywhere. No reaction. No reaction. Wait, Victor, if you say make a add you send request, or if you don't want, call me later. We need to talk, my rugged brother. You're too rugged, though. Clear road, though. I'll call you, Baba. You're too rugged, though. This madam, so you never hear that, huh? Oh, my boy. Hey, you know why you play for UK? Oh, my boy. Oh, you get quiet, Baba. See, I'll call you. Wait. Write me for WhatsApp, bros. I'll call you, but once I end my live video, I'll call you more to personal. You're too rugged, though. I'm maybe rugged. Don't be loud. I'll call you. Wait, you still get my number, my new number. My give you now. Wait, make I reply with my number. For my WhatsApp number. Wait, my drop on here. Make me and you talk. Because that UK matter, the matter not go slice. And I just say, man, you talk this one small. I may not be like, hey. But waiting I will do within my mind, though. Not be everything that I will talk. Hey. Waiting I will do within my mind, Baba. I may not worry on myself. But I know we'll talk what I'll do for live video. Now when it will talk, now when it will don't play, everybody will understand. Wait, make I drop my number, give you. You are too rugged, oh, Baba, oh, don't be loud. All this can't see finish. I know it's too like calm, but what to do now? Not be that one they fuck up. Now you they fuck up now. I know. Yo, man, no error. I'm coming, my brother. Baba, I don't say you my WhatsApp number. But on this phone, when they do live, so I know if you don't take call you now. I know if you don't take call you because now they do live. So I need to off this live video, then call you. But if you want, Make I put you for here. Send me a request. They make you just talk. I beg that boy for UK. I beg. I not get shit with him, but I beg make una find. I don't know a picture. Make una carry a picture. Give me. Muna send again for WhatsApp. I beg. I want your sabi face. Okay, now this one I ain't go follow by 5. So that made for video record. You understand? Yes, but okay. Test me. I go call you back. Oh wait, I go so office my live video. I'll call you. Yes, I'll call you. No worry, I'll call you. We'll talk, Baba. We'll talk. See, this is finish. I'm up. See, Baba. Do. This is finish. Don't too much, oh. Too much, be. But what to do now? Enyo see. To say me and that guy man they collabo. No be all those one. A life now. Okay, bro. Okay, not shaking. I will call you. Believe me, I will call you. See, test me, oh. Because I'm not getting number again, oh. I just say my number now, beg. Write me for WhatsApp. Once I done this my video, once I head down, I will call you person. I will just will talk. Clear road, though. You have to not get, though. This was an old one, oh. Old one. Clear road, though. Abby. Clear road. That one like back at there. Clear road, though. That was how I go slice, oh, hey. But I don't want to tell different things for Facebook. But my brother, now me go first confess, my brother, I go we go me. My brother don't soon. But what me go do? Them my mind, though. That one is normal. Injury to one is injury to all. At least see my collect, maybe or check I collect. You don't pay. Where am I? But so I want to win. On my way, je. Okpakma you wanna see egbe. Bro, the matter if pay me rich bono. Even say I only laugh. He pay me, let me say not pay me, but what to do? Bros, not be every day I say they do video for you. I be on they follow me. Brother, take it easy. This way they go so. Every yata, every yak binaji, not be everything that they fight put. Not be everything, not be everything, baba. The funniest thing, this man, no regard you for 8 years. People are fighting you. No reaction. Osagba for you, you would say one time, he will follow you 5 for Tavan. Huh? Those are bullshit, oh. I'm not happy, no. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, no. I'm not happy. My brother, Muna relax first. He never concern that boy. I don't understand. I don't say if I pronounce. I not do it una matter be now. I know. But it never reach that way, Baba. I just want to comment. I don't say una reparo. But Muna see. Baba, more first soul and first. You understand? More first observe. Wetin me go there? I beg. If you dey drop your comment, I don't drop my number there. If you know say you be my guy, you dey drop your comment, say you be my guy. You Maruba, understand? He boss me. If you there UK, he boss me. Don't boss me for my WhatsApp. I will turn on something later. The boy, I be wish them that they call that, but they said that as them be a no gear of waiting for UK. I don't know the name where they call on. They say there be a no gear waiting. Which a no gear? I don't know where they call them. I know they stay for UK. It's not shameful, no. Abba will say he they fight for it though, but they go they fight and no of his friends when they happen continue. No one will help him. Now this thing I they talk every day for year. If it happen, nobody will help you. What knows your friends? For guys say, I they talk say about the hero, say they fuck up. But that guy, wait, slap him, bros. You know, that boy not gonna free from my hand. I don't want to go. I bet more than 5 pictures give me first. And number 2, if I know yes, say that boy not go, just say they say that boy see the UK for that. Oh Lord. Bros, wetin men go do they men mind? Hey, Alhaji say double shift. I beg, if you not get a picture, make una dey put her for here now. Man, drop my WhatsApp number. If you get that guy picture, send her, give me. Normally, they will get people for Bongo. I beg, send her, give me. Double shift for Manchester. Send her, give me. In the next 24 hours, send her, give me. Send me a picture. Put her for my WhatsApp. +1 803 979 3194. I don't get issue with Tambo, but I want you to know your face. I want you to know your face. I want to know your face. You get why? Don't be loud. Don't be say I they talk about. Don't be say I they happy. Oh, I know they happy. I know they happy. Oh. But one thing be say, you go they talk to your brother. You know they hear. Even you where they talk, he go they insult you. He go even they fall your hand to others people.